today. So in this video, we will use a statistical tools for comparing of means. So the statistical tool that we will use is the t-test. So this was our data sets. So this is our data sets with 100 participants or observations. So in our situation, a basketball coach wants to determine if what grade level will tend to do a lot of basketball shot within 3 minutes. So students from grade 11, grade 12 will do the shot. So those are our respondents. The group 1, the group A is the grade 11 and the group B is the grade 12. So before we use the statistical tool, we test first the normality of the dataset. So we will use the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test of normality. So first we copy the set A, the group A, which is the grade 11 students. Copy and paste and calculate. So the p-value is 26.639. So your data does not differ significantly, which is normally distributed. So the first set is normally distributed. The set. So next is the second group. Copy and paste the set and paste. Calculate. So in the summary, P is equal to 0.9552. Your data does not differ significantly from that which is normally distributed. So the second data is normally distributed. So next we will test the two will test the datasets using the t-test calculator. This is the t-test calculator. So treatment 1 and treatment 2. So we will copy the grade 11 is treatment 1. Copy. Treatment 1 and paste the other one. And treatment 2 is paste. So the significance level is 0.05 and 2 tailed. So we will calculate T and P values. So this is the result. So P value is equal to 0.874548. The T value is 0.15109. So treatment 1 M1 is 40.96. The mean 2 is 41.26. So in these data sets, in our data sets, the objective, our objective here is there a significant difference in the numbers of shots they made with the grade levels? And the hypothesis is there is no significant difference in the number of shots they made with their grade levels. So in this data, so this is our objective. The hypothesis. So based on the results of the calculator in these data sets, so we derive in our results. So our objective is there significant difference in the numbers of shots they made with their grade levels? So the null, there is no significant difference in the number of shots they made with their grade level. So the parameters significance level is 0.0595%. So the results mean 1 or the grade 11 is equal to 40.96. Mean 2 or grade 12 is 41.26. The interpretation, grade 12 made more shots within 3 minutes. So the computed p-value is 80.874548. So it is greater than to the significance level to 0.05. So therefore the null hypothesis will be accepted. So this is our data analysis and implication. So the data set had been treated with the t-test for dependent samples since each group will consist of different participants or respondents. Each group had been tested with Kolmogorov tests of normality with the result of computed p-value such as 0.26, 639 and 0.09552 for grade 11 grade 12. Respectively, these values suggest that dataset in each group are normally distributed since their computed p-value is greater than 0.05. So the descriptive statistics results shows that the number of shots that made within time for grouping or grade 11 is 40.96 whereas the group B or grade 12 is 41.26. This suggests that the grade 12 students made more shots than the grade 11. On the other hand, treating the two datasets with t-test for dependent samples, it yields a p-value of 0.87 for 4548, which is greater than the significance level of the hypothesis will be accepted. So therefore, the number of shots they made in 3 minutes within their grade levels were statistically different. So the implication, the number of shots they made were statistically different because the participants that came from the two groups were independent to each other. Each participant has their own capability to do more shots than the other. The participants that came from the other group might be bigger than the other group. But if we will take a look at the result of mean, the average mean of the first group is not having a big gap than the average mean of the other group. Their capability in each group to shoot was not that having a big gap. They perform well and show to the coach what they got. So this is our results for the t-test for dependent variables of these datasets. Thank you.